What's up, family? How y'all doing today? Take a ride with me on a quick trip to get this scrap out the way. Alright, so as you can see, that's the finishing touches. We got everything loaded up, ready. We got the compressors and all the scrap metal up in there. Separating it out, making sure I get everything straight before I get there. Get this out of here, baby. Get it out. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. You know what I mean? Join the family. Also, if you want to get to the nitty gritty, actually see me scrapping it up, sawing everything down, go on and lock into that video. Also, it's more videos if y'all ain't going in tune to the video side. I know I be on the shorts a lot, but come tune in to them videos too, man. I'm trying to turn this YouTube up. Let's go.